Hi, yes. Today we're going to be doing divisibility rules. And what I have in front of you is the rules of divisibility that I provided you. Okay. And an example that looks very similar to what we're going to be doing in class. Okay. Now, the way I like to do divisibility is going to be doing one column at a time. That means we're going to go ahead and do the numbers 2's first, then the number 3's, divisibility of 3's, then divisibility of 4's, 5, 6, and then we're going to finish with 9. Okay? And I'm going to go ahead and show you why I decided to do it this way. Okay? So for the first problem, okay, which is divisibilities of 2's that we're going to be doing right now. Okay? We need to go ahead and read the rule. The rule for divisibility of 2 states that when a number is even, ending in 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8, it is divisible by 2. So let's look at this number over here, okay? Now, 3430. It ends with 2, 0, and it says here if it's 0, it is divisible by 2. So we're going to go ahead and put Y for yes. 3960 ends with 0, yes. 6 ends with 6, yes. 0, 0. We're gonna put yes. 0 is yes. Okay. 2 says here divisible by 2 when a number is even, ending in 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. It is divisible by 2. Okay. Now let's see if the 3. 3's are a little bit different. Okay. For 3's, we have when the sum of the number of the digits is divisible, you can divide by 3 without a remainder. Then we have a number divisible by 3. So that means we're going to go ahead and go over here and we're going to get 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 0. That's going to be equals to 10. Can you divide 10 in, can 3 go into 10 without a remainder? No, you're going to get a remainder, okay? So you're going to put no over here, okay? Okay, now, okay, next problem. The next problem has 3 plus 9 plus 6 plus 0, okay? And that's going to be 18, okay? Right? So 18 goes into 3, that will be a yes. Okay, what about 1 plus 5 plus 0 plus 6? 6 plus 6 equals 12. So that's more certainly yes, okay? Okay, so that was the rule of 3's, okay? Let's look at the rule of 4, okay? Okay, we're done with this, so we can clear it out, okay? And the rule of 4 is going back to the rules on your paper, okay? You're going to come up with a number, and the last 2 digits of that number is divisible by 4. So we did the last one for 2. On this one, you're going to do the last 2. And in this one, doing the last 2, they have to be able to divide by 4. So can 4 go into 30? Yes or no? The answer is no, right? Good. Can 4 go into 60? Yes or no? Let's see, 1 times 4 is 4. Then you have 20. So that's 5 times 4 is 20. Look at that, 0 remainder, right? So the answer is yes. Now, what about 6, okay? What about a 6? Can 6 go into 4 without remainder? No, okay? So that's that one. Okay. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and delete that. Good. And we are going to go back to the rules of 5s. Let's find the rules of 5s over here on the screen. Okay, when a number ends in 0 or 5, you can divide by 5. So let's go and look back at the end over here. Okay, let me clean this mess a little bit. Okay, you're looking just at the last number again. If it ends in 0 or 5, it's divided by 5. Is 0 over here, something that will work? Yes, because you have 0 or 5, so that means yes. Okay? Okay. And then the second one, 3960, you have a 0, so the answer is yes. Okay. Then 1506, you don't have a 0 or 5, so the answer is no. Okay. Um, so basically, for 5s, if you have a 0 or 5, you can divide by 5. Okay. Next one. For some reason, this one's the trickiest one for students, but to me, it's very easy. It says here, when a number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then you can divide by 6. Okay? So, okay, don't let that get to you. Okay? Basically, you're gonna go ahead and look for number 6. Okay? You're gonna go ahead and look for this one has to be yes, and this one has to be yes. Both yeses. If you have a no, then it's a no. Look at this one. You can divide by 2, but not by 3, so you cannot do 6. This one you can divide by 2, and you can divide by 3, so you can do. Okay? This one you can divide by 2, you can divide by 3, so you can do 6. Okay? If there's a no anywhere or on both, then it's a no. The rules of 9 are very similar to the rules of 3. Okay? When the sum of a number's digit is divisible by 9. Okay? So we need to add the numbers again. Okay? Just like we did before. Okay? So you have 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 0. That equals 10. Can 10 go into 9 without a remainder? No, that will be a remainder, right? Then you have 3 plus 9 plus 6 plus 0. You add those all together, 6, 7, 8, 9, 18. 18 does go into 9 two times, so that will be a yes, okay? Then you have 1 plus 5 plus 0 plus 6. That will give us 12. Can 12 go into 9 without a remainder? No, you will have a remainder, okay? Those are the rules of divisibility. I know they're tricky. I want you to go ahead and practice them, okay? Now, one thing to remember, okay? Okay, one thing to remember is that we do have a tool that can help you out, and it's this page, where it spells out the divisibility rules. I want you to find it on your binder. I gave it to you at the beginning of the year. If you don't have it, ask for it, okay? Okay, and once you receive it, we'll be able to go, okay? If you'll be able to use it on the test, okay? If you have any questions, please let me know, okay?